Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. Oh my gosh, do you love the background? I have completely switched around the room. When you walk into this space now, it does not look cute, but I feel like on camera, this just gives you guys a better feeling of what my beauty studio is all about. And I'm so excited. Like every time I look in the monitor, I'm just like, why did I not do this sooner? You know, like I'm having one of those moments. Anyway, welcome guys to today's video. We are gonna be testing out something from L'Oreal that actually reminds me of something I tested out a couple years back from a Korean brand, I believe. It was like a very interesting big moment in makeup. Like on YouTube, everybody was like going kind of bananas for it. And it was a lip powder where it actually was a powder that turned to a cream. You guys loved the video. I loved making that video, and I have been just waiting to try more strange, unique, interesting products. And lo and behold, L'Oreal came out with a full range of not just lip powders that turn to cream on contact, but eyeshadows. So I have most of them, and I have like 4 of the shadows that I don't think I'm gonna use, and I am gonna do a little cute, quick giveaway. I've been doing a lot of those, and you guys seem to enjoy it. Just make sure you are subscribed, leave a comment below. Let's just kind of dig into a couple of these, right? I think this is gonna be fun. I'm actually like, I'm so excited. Okay. These right here are the lip pigments. I have the color Coffee Date. I have Wink Wink. I have Red Tape. What else I got in here? I have Desired. When I was initially reading these, like on the bottom it says not for use on eyes, and I was actually like typing out a list, and I'm like, that's the color name, not for use on eyes. I'm like, you're an idiot. How much were these? Survey says, holy crap, you spent $400 on powder products that turn to cream. So many pretty things in front of me. Where do I begin? As far as the eye pigments, I'm gonna give away all of these right here. Ooh, yes, just to one winner. So let's just kind of take a look at what this is. Let's kind of feel her out. This shade right here for lips is called Desired. And the way that this comes out, it's not in a sifter. It's like you pop open this little guy right here. Ooh, it just like flew in my face. It looks like this might be dangerous, but I guess let's find out how messy this actually is. Are you seeing this? Ooh, that's a lot. That is like full powder, right? Holy smokes. And now, oh my God, that's so weird. That's so strange. I need to get my lipstick off ASAP. I'm sorry for disrespecting you, Beauty Blender. Why does it taste good? I'm gonna try a little more. I'm just kind of like mixing it on my hand. Dude, this is like, honestly, you need to just grab one of these just to play with because that is fun. Ew, it applies like crapola though. Survey says my lips just aged 100 years. It's really exaggerating lines. Let me properly take off my lipstick with a makeup wipe and try again. I do not have cute lipstick face. Honestly, this has been a struggle of mine. You guys, for the longest time, I would try to look really beautiful, like model face while putting on lip products, but I just have this tendency, and like even when I drink something, I think I make really weird faces. I look like an animal. I don't know. I don't know what happens. I try to edit around it so I look kind of cute, but still, like I can see myself in the mirror trying to put this on. I'm just like, we're gonna go back in to Desired. I'm gonna put it on a plate this time just to kind of see what happens there. Does it still turn? Why, holy smokes, it sure does. That's so strange. Okay, that's better. I think I had a little leftover like foundation from being the laziest person on planet Earth and wiping my lipstick off with a beauty blender. It's very metallic. I don't really like that. I love the tone of this. I think it's fun, but this color, it's not for me. So let's try another one. Let's go in with the shade Instant Crush. It's just an instant crush, not like I play. Ooh, this one looks more creamy than metallic. This is promising. It feels like you need a lot though. Ooh. Do you guys remember what your first YouTube video that you ever watched was? Like, do you remember what it was? Because all the ones that I remember, like my first 5, are awful. Like they are all comedy, but like so awful. And every time to this day, whenever I go, ooh, I always think of that one video that went super viral that's, you know, ooh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Oh, Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Does anybody know what I'm talking about? Like, that is so old. It's so old, but it was funny. My issue, you guys, is this is just not very practical. Like, it's so fun. I think that if you just want to have fun with your makeup and you want to like show your friends, like have them come over and be like, look what I have. Is it powder? Is it lipstick? Who the hell knows? It's just a lot of work. Like, God, I'll do anything for 5 extra minutes of sleep in the morning. Do I really want to do this to myself, you know? I'm still gonna try on red tape. This looks pretty. They have an interesting taste to them though. They're almost like sweet when you lick your lips. It's kind of strange. All right, so both the shades were really, really nice. You know, I have to say, Instant Crush and Desired, I mean, beautiful, right? Just like such beautiful tones. Now let's go in with a red and see what happens. Magic. Maybe I should use a lip brush, right? Let's do this. Oh my God, yes. Okay, this one is nice. Ooh, it is Christmas in July. I just feel like I'm a Christmas tree right now, like red and green. Okay, the application that I have going on right now, obviously I know that I'm trying on a bunch, so I'm working with my fingers, I'm playing with the textures, getting to know the colors, and this one actually feels super, super lightweight, which I love. Who doesn't want a red that feels like nothing on the lips? Like even a liquid lip that dries down matte, you will still feel that in my opinion, and this just feels, it feels like nothing. It feels great. I think I'm gonna wear this shade for the rest of the day, but I think I do wanna bust out a lip liner and a lip brush and really like go in and sculpt the lips. So I am gonna do that. And then I think we should scooch a little bit closer for the eyes because I do want to do kind of a cool eye look with these powder to cream shadows. So I lined my lips with Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade 69. Now I'm going to my palette, taking that red with my blinged brushes brush. Isn't this just so fabulous? I love it. And I'm going to do this instead of using my finger. And that's working great. Lipstick face. See, this is how I want to look putting on lipstick. I can't do it. Ooh, yes, red. Look at that, you guys. Dang. I am loving this red. Yes. I'm so like, I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this red. It's like, it's the perfect color, first off, but it's also so lightweight, and these do, ooh, they stain quite a bit. Even though these turn to a cream, it's like they turn back to a powder. So it does have a almost matte, powdery, velvety finish, and I really like it, but this one in particular is not settling into any of my lines. The first one, Desired, because it had that metallic element to it, definitely did that. And then the next one was kind of just, you know, not as even as I would want it to be, but this shade is just everything. I love it. So let's move right along to the shadows. So I think I want to lay down one of the lighter shadows first. I'm going to take the shade Ivy League. We're going to go for something just kind of light and fashion inspired, meaning we're not going to do like a cut crease or anything like that. It's just going to be very like light, effortless, finger painting kind of a thing. That looks really wrong. Okay, we're going in. This is Ivy League, and I'm just going to kind of stamp this on the lid. It's pretty. It feels a little waxy, which I'm not loving that. Also, again, you know, fun factor, A+, mess factor, A+. It's messy. Let's take this shade Retro, and I actually am going to use a brush. I swore I was not going to actually use these, but I just feel like I'm living my best life when I use these blinged brushes. Like I almost feel like I should just not ruin them, but they are just so beautiful that I just feel like waving them around and like, you know, they're just so pretty. So I'm taking that on a crease brush. We're just going to kind of see how this goes. You know, I'm just kind of feeling like the shadows are a lot of hassle for just a tiny amount of payoff. We're gonna go into gold. I'm gonna put this on the lid and just see like what's up with that. That kind of just looks like foundation. All right, I have Sneak Peek. Maybe I should dig into some of the darker shades. This is just waxy and weird. Well, gosh dang it. I'm breaking into the shade Lover's Tree. I'm gonna go order another one because I said I was giving those away, and I am. I'm gonna grab one more duplicate, but I'm gonna obviously take this one. I just think you're gonna have to use something else with these. Like, they might make a good base. I have this right in front of me, and I just want to put something shiny on top of the cream to see if it grabs and helps the powder to look even more intense. This is from Mally Cosmetics. How fun is this packaging? So I'm going to take the strong highlight in here. This is the Waza Was Up Hollywood Collection palette, and let's just tap this on top. And yeah, I mean, it definitely will work as an eye base. So if you want to choose one of the lighter shades that I placed on my eyelid and use it as an eye base, kind of smooth things out, and then amplify other shadows that you already own, you definitely could do that, and that will work. As far as wearing it on its own, I don't know. I feel like for 15 bucks, it's just not enough. But again, if you want to purchase this because it's cool and like the cool factor is winning you over, then by all means, you know, grab one of the eyes, grab one of the lips, and have fun with it. You know, this is the kind of stuff that makes makeup fun. So, all right, I'm going to put on a little lash and I'll be right back. So here we are, a little liner, a little lash, which, oh my goodness, I just have to give like an instant shout out because I have never tried these before. I showed you guys in my PR unboxing, my most recent one, I will link that below, that I received from Atera Collections, these faux fur eyelashes. So they are synthetic, and this is the style Enhance, and I love how these went on. Really unique band. It's very flimsy and soft, so if you're used to kind of a thicker like a thicker band, you might not love this, but I can't feel them on my lashes, and I love that, and I think they're not like crazy overpowering either. So lashes are on, the look is complete. The only, you know, product that I'm really die hard in love with is this red lip. I think the color of it, the way it feels, is really great. Beyond that, I have to say this is just fun makeup. If you want to buy it, play with it, show your friends, have a moment. You know, you love makeup, collect makeup, you're like me and you're just really curious. I don't think you will absolutely hate it, but I don't think this is replacing anything in our everyday routine. Do you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys had fun anyway, just kind of trying these out and seeing the colors and seeing what it was all about, because I had a good time. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I want to remind you guys there is a small giveaway in this video. I will put the color shades that I'm giving away below in the description box. Check it out for details. All you have to do is be subscribed, leave a comment, and that is it. All right, easy as can be. And if you're not subscribed, why not just subscribe anyway? It takes 2 seconds and it's free, and then you get to see all of my crazy videos. I upload Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so I hope to see you guys again. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That's always a good thing to do. I appreciate it. I love you when you do that so much. And have a good one. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.